How to withdraw USDT Optimism from Trust Wallet. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily withdraw USDT Optimism from your Trust Wallet. Open up your Trust Wallet first, and then from here all you have to do is tap on the send option. But before you do that, you can just scroll down and make sure that you have the Optimism, that is the Ethereum, right on the second option. So you are going to require the Ethereum right here to cover your gas fees. So just go ahead and make sure that you have that. Then you're going to have to go to the top right corner of your screen. And then from there, you could just go ahead and add the USDT and send it. So just go ahead and go back and then tap on the top right corner. Now from here, just search for USDT, and it's going to be USDT with Optimism. So toggle this on, Optimism Ethereum. And once you've done that, just tap on it to tap on send again. Now you need a wallet address. So you're going to have to get any centralized exchange wallet address to withdraw your USDT Optimism from Trust Wallet. So just go ahead and go to Binance or any other centralized exchange platforms like this. Here you can just tap on deposit and then search for USDT, then select the network as Ethereum or Optimism. And once you've selected your network, just copy the address, go back here and paste the address, enter the amount, and then tap on next, and you should be able to withdraw Optimism from your Trust Wallet. And it's as easy as that. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.